Is your monitor secretly underperforming? Before you trust it with your work, gaming, or videos, let's test it like a pro. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check dead pixels, poor sharpness, bad color accuracy, and slow response times. And if you notice anything off, like lag, dull colors, or glitchy performance, I've built a simple tool you can run with just one click to fix common display-related issues caused by system lag or drivers. Let's check your monitor display quality right away. Open ISO Monitor Test. Launch your preferred web browser and type www.iso.b monitor test. For basic display quality check, which I recommend for general users, YouTubers, or anyone curious about their monitor quality, test for defective bezels, sharpness, and gradients. Click Start Test. Then select defective pixels. The screen will cycle through solid colors. Look at the entire screen when it's displaying a solid black. All pixels should be completely black. If you notice a small spot that's glowing, that means a pixel is stuck on and not burning off properly. Now check the screen when it's all white. Every pixel should appear white. If you spot a small black dot, that means the pixel isn't working at all. When the screen is filled with solid red, all pixels should be red. If you see a black spot, it means the red part of the pixel is not lighting up. With a solid green screen, every pixel should show green. A black dot here means that the green subpixel is faulty or missing. On a solid blue screen, the screen should be entirely blue. A black spot means that the blue subpixel is not working. Navigate to the sharpness test. You will see text, patterns, and lines, and also different font sizes like size 10 and 18 in two color combinations, like black text on a white background and white text on a black background. Look closely to the edges of the letters. If they look crisp and clean, your monitor is doing great. If the text has colored fringes or has shadows, then your sharpness or resolution settings might need adjustment. Now select the gradients test. You'll see a smooth fade of grayscale. In this section, you have to ensure a smooth transition with no visible lines. For color accuracy and creative work, which I recommend for designers, editors, and users working with visuals, you would have to run the color distance, uniformity, gradients, and gamma tests. Go to the color distance test. Observe the multiple color squares side by side. The test checks how accurate your monitor can display two colors that are very close in shade without blending them into one. You have two color boxes. The background color, which is controlled by red, green, and blue values, and the rectangle color, also adjustable by values. And check whether you can still see the rectangle clearly against the background. If they blend too easily, your display may struggle with subtle color variation, which is especially important for designers and video editors. Now select the uniformity text. In this test, the solid colors will fill the entire screen. This helps you check if your monitor shows a consistent level of brightness and color across the whole screen using different shades of gray. Here you can see if your screen is evenly lit from corner to corner. Under the gradient section, the test will help you check how smoothly your monitor displays gradual transitions between shades. If you see color tinting or harsh lines, your monitor may have poor color depth or limited bit depth processing. This information is crucial for photo editing. Now at the gamma test section, a reference image with patterns will be displayed. Use the sliders to match the pattern so that the reference image blend into the background. Your goal is to find out your monitor's gamma value, which determines how brightness is displayed across different shades. This is essential for accurate image production. Photos, games, and videos can look washed out or overly dark if gamma is wrong. If the logo blends in when set at 2.2, your monitor is properly calibrated for standard gamma. If it blends in at a lower or higher value, your monitor might be too bright or too dark in the mid-tone range. For gaming and fast motion content, which I recommend for gamers, video editors, and streamers, you would have to test for sharpness, response time, and defective pixels. At the sharpness section, run the test as I spoke of earlier, which is essential for spotting enemies and reading small, high-definition text in games. Select the response time test. At this section, watch the fast-moving checkerboard or shapes. This test is designed to help you evaluate how quickly your monitor responds when displaying fast-moving images, which is an important factor in gaming and high-speed video. The purpose is to check the response time of your monitor, which helps you assess how changes like overdrive or refresh rate impact your display's motion clarity. Under the defective pixels, you can actually observe the screen like I spoke earlier. Even one bad pixel can be distracting in first-person shooter or esports games. If your screen passed all the tests, congratulations, you've got a solid display. If not, at least now you know what's holding you back. If your monitor test reveals glitches, that might be caused by system lag, corrupted files, or outdated drivers. I've built a tool just for that. It is called the Quick Display Fixer tool. You just download it from the link in the comment section. Open the zip file and right-click the tool and open it. Extract the files to the default location. From there, you can run it as an administrator and reconfirm on the prompt. It handles most common issues automatically. You will see the command prompt window open. It will automatically start by cleaning your temporary files to free up memory and fix any lag-related buildup. Then the script resets your display DPI scaling to default, which helps if things look blurry or oversized after updates or drivers. It also runs a system file checker, which takes a few minutes, but is important if corrupted files are causing visual glitches or weird artifacts. The next thing it does is that it gives you a quick reminder to reset your graphics driver manually. You can do that instantly by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Windows+B. And finally, it opens Device Manager for you automatically, so you can quickly update or reinstall your display driver if needed. On updating your driver, you will be provided with the option to search for updates from your computer or search for updates drivers on Windows Update. Here you can download and install any optional updates related to your graphics driver. Click on Advanced Options, then Optional Updates. Then select the optional updates related to your graphics driver and click Download and Install. And that's it. All these steps combined in one quick tool. You'll find the link in the description. For more powerful user tips and hidden tools like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Restart your PC for the changes to be applied.